It's a lovely day and we're going back to school today as we have a school for sale, an old one, a lovely Grade 2 listed property with huge amounts of charm, spacious accommodation and a lovely garden in an accessible location here at Bolventor. So let's go and take a look at what it's got to offer. If this is the sort of property that suits you, then please contact Webbers today on 01566 77 6211. Thank you.